So this is a quick rundown of the TrigJig AF6 and the AF4. This is the 6-inch version of the angle finder. This is the 4-inch version. With the AF6, you've got 3 different windows up here. So when you measure an angle, the protractor gives you the true reading of the angle, and mitre gives you the angle that you need to set your mitre saw to cut that mitre. Because obviously half of 70 degrees is 35 degrees, but if you set your mitre saw to that, it won't give you a true angle. So that is what you need to set your mitre saw to. The other angle it gives you down here, so again 70 degrees, is for your single cut. So if you're doing a single angle cut to butt into that, you're not doing a mitre, that will give you there 20 degrees. And again, that's what you set your mitre saw to, because you've already got 90 degrees on your mitre saw, so that gives you the difference to get that to 70. So just to break that down again, when you measure an angle here, you've got your protractor will give you 40 degrees, but your single will give you 50 degrees, because that is your mitre saw setting. When you get up to shallower angles on the single, you can see there's a secondary row of numbers underneath there. That's assuming that you've got a 45 degree packer in your mitre saw, so you can get to those shallower, finer angles. So that is the TrigJig AF6. The AF4 is exactly the same principle, just combined 3 windows into 2, and they've got a quick guide set that to 45 degrees and 90 degrees. Both of these are adjustable with the nut in the middle, so you can tighten or loosen the friction on them. So that is a quick rundown of the TrigJig angle finders.